Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Bigyan kita isa ha. This one. But don't eat yet. Okay? Don't eat yet ha. Oh. This one. Gummy. Ano yan?
Gummy.
Oh.
Gummy.
Put you one gummy. Wait for mommy ha. Oh,
She's
later
gonna
mo
put
i-eat.
more. She's gonna eat
I will
more.
put, don't eat yet. Oh, wait mo si mommy.
Mommy's gonna put more, okay?
Ha? Oo, lalagyan kita later, ha? Pagka hindi mo eat yan. Listen to mommy, ha? Wait, oh. Mommy and ate will do something first, okay? Anong sagot? Ha? Anong sagot kay mommy? Opo.
Opo.
Okay, don't eat, ha? Oh, wait mo si mommy, ha? Anong sagot?
Don't eat it so you can get more gummies.
Oo, bibigyan kitang madami, okay?
Because if you eat it, wala. No more.
Oo, wala. Okay?
Be good girl,
Okay.
Asha.
Wait mo si mommy. I have to do something. Ito?
Yeah. Oh no! I got it, Mommy.
Ha?
Oh no!
Oh, wait. Ito. O, sige. Dadali mo na ito bukas. Bigay ko sa'yo. Tingin nga. She ate it. Wow! She didn't eat it.
Good job!
Good job. Oh, you can have it na. Eat it na. Eat it na. Eat. Eat mo na. Eat.
More?
Oh, more? Okay, give you more. Wow! Count mo how many?
Two.
Count mo. One.
One.
Count. One. More.
And more.
Oh, more? Oh, sige, more. Eat mo muna yan. One. Yee! Good job. Very good, baby, Han. Good job, Ashley. Galing nga. Listen and obey yan kay mami and ate. High five. Yay! Ano ba yan?
Gummy.
Gummy.